that I got this afternoon. It's from Amazon and it's made by Taotronics. This is the remote that it comes with. It comes with a remote, and that remote basically can control the power of the heater. So I will push it, and we heard the beep. And we now can feel the heat from the heater as very nice and warm heat from the heater. And you can set the temperature on the heater just by going and using the remote. And it is now at 89 degrees. It's now at 84 degrees. And now 75 degrees. And it's now at 70, I think 75 degrees. I think I had it earlier at 72 when I had it in my, when I set it up earlier. But it's a very nice heater, and I recommend it for Minnesota winters, especially when you have to put it out, work out in a garage. This will be a great heater for when I have to do my can crushing videos in the winter. And as you can see, by hitting this button, by hitting the button with the arrow on it, it's lets me oscillate the heater, so it will go from this way to this way and be able to be cooling or warming up whatever area you need to warm up. Also, it has an automatic shut-off. So what then happens is once it gets to a certain temperature, it will be able to shut off for a while, and then it will turn back on when it drops below that temperature. So it's a very, very affordable piece of equipment. I think I paid somewhere around maybe $59 for it, maybe even a little bit cheaper, but it was available on Amazon, and I will see if I can get a link to the heater. I will also include the name and model number of the heater in the description, so that if anybody wants to buy one of these, they can do that. But it's very portable. You can very easily move it from room to room. So wherever you need to go to heat wherever you are in your house, you can do that by using this wonderful heater. So, this has been a presentation of the Cruiser Chris World Network. What other gadgets are out there that maybe some of you have tried in the past that did the same thing as this one? And did they have a remote? Leave the answer to that question in the comment section below, and we will see you in the next video. This has been a presentation of the Cruiser Chris World Network. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share, and show us that you care.